Hello friends, welcome to Sassy Sana YouTube channel. I am Sana and you are watching Sassy Sana YouTube channel. If you are watching my face for the first time, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell as well as. So from the title, I think you got the idea. Actually this video for perfume collection under budget, yeah. Mainly for the college going kids or school kids, for them it's very useful. Here the best perfume under the budget. If you are also interested, watch this video till the last. And now without any further introduction, let's move on to the video. Let's move on to the video now. So first I have this Ramson's perfume. You Are Lovely. Ramson's, they have so many other variant like You Are Sweet and all, but I took this one, pink color, You Are Lovely. Bottle is very classy and sleek and very good for the daily use. This smell really amazing, very feminine kind of. This fragrance not too mild or not too strong. I used half of the bottle and this is my fourth bottle or third bottle probably. Such a cute packaging, really awesome for the daily use, or you can gift as well as on budget. Now price of this product rupees 90. For 90 bucks you are getting 30 ml of product, which is amazing, and this one easily available in the local market or in the Nykaa, Amazon on Flipkart. Lasting power for this perfume only for 3 hours, not more than that, but I am okay with the reapplying. This price, this is very classy and sleek, clear glass bottle and smell also amazing. So yeah, this is a good perfume for everyday use. Next perfume, this is from Zara Lisboa Colombo. Actually this is from the men collection. This smell very fresh, really amazing. If you are like me, you also love using the men collection perfume, so definitely try this. This is the best perfume for the office purpose use. And compare this scent with the Acqua di Gio by Giorgio Armani. As compared to that, this one under budget, this one under 1000 bucks. Packaging is very classy. It's 100 ml product and you can also try their smaller one. Longevity up to 4 to 5 hours. This one smell like a aromatic, citric, very good for the summer. Everyone can use this, so good investment. Now next one, my obsession. This is by Skin by Titan Nude. This smell amazing. This is very sweet. Nothing to complain about this perfume. This is my signature perfume. Like, no one can compare this. This is a very amazing perfume by Titan. Like, you must try this. Very pleasant, very mature smell, and this lasts completely full day. Trust me, swear by you, this will stay after your next shower. Even though it's long lasting, but it's very mild smell, so you don't worry about any headache and all. Always I keep this in my bag. Packaging is very classy and very travel friendly. Full size of this perfume cost for rupees 1400 and the travel size, this one cost for rupees 500 something, but I got this on Big Billion Day sale only with the 320 rupees. If you try this for the first time, so try with this travel pack, so you will not regret. You will love this smell. It's very good for your evening time, dates or your special nights. It's a very floral kind of perfume, like combination of rosy, jasmine, musky, all together. It's a very complimenting perfume. One time just try this out, you will not regret. Now I have this Miniso Blooming, and this one cost for 360 bucks, but easily you will get the offer. You will get this perfume for the Miniso store, or you can also purchase from Amazon or Flipkart. This packaging, oh my god, it's very classy. Miniso, they have amazing collections, like you want it, you get it. Now honestly speaking, because of this bottle I fallen for this. I like the color of the bottle. This scent smell like a pure jasmine. Smell really very refreshing, jasmine kind of. So if you love the jasmine flavor, so definitely go for this one. Personally love the fragrance, but drawback for this product for me, it is not long lasting. The longevity of this perfume only for 2 hours to 3 hours, not more than that. So but it's priced for 360 rupees, and so I'm little disappointed because I expected more from the Miniso products. You will get 30 ml of product here. If you're a jasmine lover and you are okay with the reapplying, then definitely you can go with this. If you will ask me, I will not repurchase this because 360 rupees is a big deal for me and it's not long lasting, so I will not repurchase. I will use this one. It's up to you. Okay, now this one, my favorite favorite one. This is also from Miniso and this is ginger white. This one price for rupees 460. It's come with a normal cardboard packaging and look at the bottle, so classy. This off-white color glass bottle, I'm just fallen for this. Oh, you will get 50 ml of product and I must say this is the best perfume on this budget. Smell for this perfume just very sweet, like very musky, sweet, rosy and very floral. Oh my god, highly recommended for this one. Will just stay all over the day if you use this after the bath, like after moisturizing yourself, and it will stay like seriously more than 24 hours. You may heard about violet mask, but I like this more than violet mask because this is very sweet, a kind of floral scent, so it will not give you the migraine headache. This is my favorite perfume bottle from Miniso. Now friends, please buy original product, otherwise result may not be same. Now honestly, this perfume will stay on your clothes for like 2 to 3 days, yeah, and for your body it will stay like 8 hours to 10 hours. Very fresh, very sweet, very floral, very spicy. Definitely you must try this one and then you will comment me if you love this. Now this pocket spray, if you want you can carry this. This is very useful actually. I bought this one from DMart, easily available at any shop or online also. This pocket perfume are cost for rupees 70 to 80 bucks, or during sale time you will get it right with rupees 60 or 50 bucks. Now this one my favorite pocket spray. This is by Engage Oman Floral one. Oh my god, I love this smell and claim it has 250 sprays, so you can use it from the longer time, and this one has cap also, so yeah, so very useful. Just carry very easily, just throw them on your jeans pocket and you are just good to go. Very useful for the summer season, very sweaty day के लिए this will be useful because you can carry very easily. Just keep with you so that it will be very useful for your outdoor purpose. Yeah, you can try this also. Now if you ask me which one is my favorite or which one I will prefer you to buy, Skin by Titan Nude. This smell amazing. You can invest money for this small tub and you will not regret. I can assure you will not regret. This is so good smell, so sexiest kind of smell, and for the events, party, you can definitely use it. This is my favorite one, and my next favorite, like both of them are my favorite one. Next one, Ginger White by Miniso. This smell really amazing, very long lasting. This is cost for 460 rupees and we are getting 50 ml of product, which is amazing. Try this two out of everything and you will not regret. This is very long lasting, this one also very long lasting. Both of them are very good perfume under budget. Now yeah, completely choice of perfume depends on you. For on budget, Ramson is the very good choice for the school kid and the college kids. And the Zara one, this is very good for the family, like whole family can use it. Like your dad, your brother, like everyone can use this. So a good investment. And Titan Nude and Ginger White, they are very sweet, very floral for the regular use and the party. Hope you like my video. If you like the video, you know what's the deal. Make this family bigger. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And take care everyone. I love you all. Bye bye. Signing off for today. Bye.